Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Please subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell. Let's jump straight into the video. Today I'm doing a ombre with polygel. I wouldn't say it's a rainbow, but it has some other rainbow colors, so I'm just going to call it a rainbow set. I'm currently blending the tip into the nail bed. I did not remember to press record when I started prepping the nail and everything. I just looked at the phone and realized it wasn't recording when I started this part, so I'm sorry about that, guys. I will not be talking a lot in this video, so you guys can just watch. Okay, so as you can see, I've added the polygel to the nails. Now I just blended it a little bit downward into the cuticle area, or on the nail bed area. And then I'm just trying to even out all the polygel on the tip of the nail. I had a little bit too much on, so I took some off. And I'm just trying to get it into the shape that I want. On here. And on to the next nail, which is orange. I basically did the same thing. Now we're on to yellow. for the thumb, I mixed blue with a little bit of purple, or I mixed purple with a little bit of blue. Yeah, I mixed purple with a little bit of blue. I loved how the colors turned out though. Okay, this is where the set got harder because I could not get the base polygel to blend with the top polygel. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's mixed with the powder, but I could not get it to blend. So I did my best, and here they are when they're finished. Here I encapsulated them, and I did not remember to press record again. So now I've already filed and reshaped them. Now I'm adding top coat, and then I'm going to do some cuticle rhinestones. I'm gonna add some rhinestones to the cuticle. Yes. On the thumb, I tried something different. I used a lot of rhinestones. You guys will see it soon. The thumb was out of frame, so I'm sorry about that, guys. But there will be a picture of what the thumb looked like after, so you guys will get to see it properly. I think the thumb was the best ombre I did, because it blends really well, as you can see. If you guys hear that little rumbling sound, it's thunder. So guys, here are the pictures of the finished products, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.